feeling the pinch because the gap has been filled by the Indian tourists. And you can see a lot of Indian tourists right now in Goa. This is because Goa is the best destination for the Indian tourists. But we definitely need to revive the international market, especially from UK, and the Russians, the Germans, the Finland, all the Scandinavians, like all these markets which were there earlier in Goa in big way, they're slowly slipping out of Goa. So we need to understand the problems. We need to understand why the favorite destination Goa for them is no longer their favorite destination. Whether it is price rises, whether it is difficulty in visa, whether what it is, the visa fees are extra, or whether we are lacking into something, or whether it is change in destinations which those foreigners are looking at. But which I am talking about is to come every year to go.
Why are they not coming as per you?
Maybe we need to understand, we need to go deeply into this, we need to interact with them, because there are details with hoteliers, there are details with department, there are details, C forms have been filled through the hotels of these guests who used to come every year. There are guest houses where they were coming every year. So I think our tourism minister is already in London to see why they are not coming. So I hope he does something about this. And I think all the coastal belt MLAs also needs to be taken into confidence, and we need to do a think tank on this along with TTAG, Travel and Tourism Association. They had sounded an alert 1 year back that next year there are no good bookings coming in. 6 months back they had also told about tourism that we are going to have some problems as far as foreign tourists are concerned, because it's not very promising. But it has fallen down drastically. 52 charters till date from the last 1 month or last 2 months. There is a decline of 52 charters
compared to last year.
Compared to last year.
In the last 1 month.
So this is a very like a 100% decline. You can say 100% decline. So we need to review this. We need to sit on this, have good discussions, especially with the shack owners, the private huts, restaurant hoteliers, TTAG, everybody, Goa Tourism, the Minister for Tourism, the GTDC chairman, the managing director, and understand why there is a decline in foreign tourists. I'm not complaining about the Indian tourists. The gap has been filled. The restaurants are doing quite well. This is because of the Indian tourists. But what about the foreign tourists? If foreign tourists the numbers go down, then definitely we will have a problem in the years to come. Indian tourists will change the destination. They also want foreign tourists to be around them when they are holidaying. So it's a mix of white and our Indians. So this is required, and I feel that we should definitely sit and debate on this. And I have also spoken to the tourism minister over the phone that there is a decline, and he said we'll sit for a meeting that when he arrives back into Goa.
We means the coastal MLAs and
he said everybody.
Okay.
So he needs to organize this meeting. We need to debate on this. We need to come out with solutions.